welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. Could regenerating mitochondria help fight Alzheimer's? Study sheds light. Although scientists still do not know the exact cause of Alzheimer's disease, most agree that the disease is characterized by the clumping of certain proteins, beta amyloid and tau, in the brain. In a study published in the journal Neuroscience, scientists examined how the accumulation of large protein clumps in the brain, called insoluble proteins in general, might accelerate Alzheimer's disease. Protein clumping happens when proteins in the brain stick together in the wrong way. In Alzheimer's disease, two types of protein, beta amyloid and tau, are involved. Beta amyloid forms sticky plaques outside brain cells, blocking their communication and causing inflammation. Tau proteins, which normally help support brain cells, form tangles inside the cell, disrupting their function. These plaques and tangles damage the brain, leading to memory loss and confusion seen in Alzheimer's disease. In the study, researchers, using a worm model, discovered that beta amyloid causes a massive amount of insolubility in other proteins, especially in a subset of proteins researchers call the core insoluble proteome.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possess in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
The insoluble proteins found in the core insoluble proteome have already been linked to other neurodegenerative conditions, including Parkinson's disease and Huntington disease, according to the researchers. Next, researchers wanted to find a way to potentially undo how beta amyloid makes proteins insoluble. They noticed that many mitochondrial proteins become insoluble as people age and when beta amyloid is present. So they thought that improving the quality of mitochondrial proteins might help counteract some of the harmful effects of beta amyloid. These findings suggest that beta amyloid likely causes many proteins, especially those in mitochondria, to become insoluble. This problem with protein is similar to changes seen in aging. The discovery that targeting mitochondrial health can mitigate some of these aging effects suggests a potential novel approach to addressing Alzheimer's disease. It has been known for some time that mitochondria can be negatively impacted by beta amyloid, but we show that this is likely due to protein insolubility. Luckily, cells possess a way to recycle damaged mitochondria through a process called mitophagy. Our lab and others study a small molecule that boosts mitophagy to regenerate mitochondria. We reasoned that using a pharmacological approach to clear away the insoluble proteins from mitochondria could prevent some of the toxic effects of beta amyloid, and that's exactly what we found, said the study authors. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.